Today, a quick video on how to clean dirty workout gloves. For a rowing machine, weights, bicycling, whatever it is, I'll show you how to clean up your gloves so your hands don't get all scratchy and itchy with what might be on the inside of a dirty glove. Let's get started. I'm going to show you how I wash my gloves. If I was bicycling, you could do this every other night. These are weight training gloves. So I'm just going to get them wet, almost like you're going to wash your hands. And depending on how dirty they are, just rinsing them off like this might do the job. If they're really dirty, this is some foaming soap. Just like you would wash your hands, wash your gloves. Not a lot of water is required. Be a little soapy, so then you just do another rinse. I use cold water. There's no reason to use warm or hot water. Cold water seems to do the job. They look pretty good, and they're certainly better than they were before I cleaned them. So then I'll take them off, kind of set the Velcro so it doesn't stick up against something, and I'm just going to wring them out. Hang them on the side of the sink, or you can put the opposite Velcro and hang them on the faucet like this. A great way to dry a lot of things, not just gloves, is to take a towel, you lay the gloves inside, roll it up. You're hand washing anything, shorts, t-shirts, socks, twist inside the towel. You'll be surprised how much water comes out. They're still wet. Go to the other side. That's drier than the wet side where you started. Repeat the process. They're almost completely dry. They might be a little damp. If you're going to work out the next day, just wear them around the house for an hour or so and they'll dry right out. So that's how you clean and dry your bicycle gloves, your workout gloves, your rowing gloves, whatever they are. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of cleaning tips for workout equipment, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, testing of fitness gear, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what quick tips you're gonna see.